Welcome to my channel, Men TV. Please subscribe and like for more videos. Thank you. Hi kid, how are you today? Now we learn name animal of letter A. Please read together.
Letter A for aardvark.
A nocturnal burrowing mammal native to Africa with a long snout used to eat ants and termites. Letter A, albatross. Albatross is a large seabird known for their impressive wingspans and ability to fly long distances over oceans. Letter A, alligator. Alligator is a large reptile found in freshwater habitats, known for its powerful jaws and tough armored skin. Letter A for anaconda. Anaconda is one of the largest snakes in the world, found in South America, known for constricting its prey. Letter A for anteater. Anteater is a mammals with elongated snouts and tongues designed for eating ants and termites. Letter A for antelope. Antelope is a herbivorous animal, often found in Africa, known for their speed and graceful horns. Letter A for armadillo. Armadillo is a small to medium-sized mammal with a leathery armor shell, native to the Americas. Letter A for axolotl. Axolotl is a type of aquatic salamander native to Mexico, famous for its ability to regenerate limbs. Letter A for Arctic fox. Arctic fox is a small white-furred fox adapted to cold Arctic environments, known for its thick fur and bushy tail. Letter A for ii. Ii is a nocturnal primate from Madagascar, known for its long middle finger used for foraging insects. Letter A for anemone. Anemone is a marine animal resembling flowers, related to jellyfish, known for their stinging tentacles. Letter A for alpaca. Alpaca is a domesticated South American mammal, related to llamas, raised for its soft wool. Letter A for angelfish. Angelfish is a colorful species of freshwater and marine fish, popular in aquariums. Letter A for archerfish. Anaconda is one of the largest snakes in the world, found in South America, known for constricting its prey. Letter A for African elephant. African elephant is the largest land mammal found in Africa, known for its large ears and trunk. Letter A for Arctic hare. Arctic hare is a hare species adapted to cold environments with white fur for camouflage and snow. Letter A for African wild dog. African wild dog is a highly social carnivore, known for its pack behavior and spotted coat. Letter A for addax. Addax is a desert-dwelling antelope with twisted horns, native to the Sahara.